What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is Rusty and we are back at my beautiful shop. As you guys can tell, something's missing. There used to be a Coronado right here instead of this minivan, which we're about to do a video on right now. There's a 2020 Western Star that I drive for this company right here. I am a truck driver, as you know, most of you guys already know. There's my Toyota Tacoma rebuild. Actually, this thing's already sold and the buyer's coming to pick it up tomorrow. Guess how much I sold it for? Guess right now in the comments. 2018 Tacoma, 50,000 miles, the two-door Axis cab. Come on, 3, 2, 1. Yes, I sold it for $18,000. I'm really surprised also. I'm not sure what's going on with the car sales this time of the month, but it is crazy. People are just overbidding and overbuying these cars right now, so I'm pretty lucky, you know, selling it for that much. And you know, our typical semi-truck graveyard right here, and then my Volvo VNL right here, 2019 rebuild, as you know, most of you guys already know. But the star of the show, I know a lot of people will be like, what the heck, this guy's about to be rebuilding this minivan. Yes, I am, because I bought this for my family. I am having my third child and this thing is gonna be my family van, so I am doing this to myself. I know, you know, minivan life, but whatever. I did rebuild that Prius. I was driving it, sold it, and also my wife is driving a Prius with 2 kids. The third one's on the way, so I think the minivan is the proper way to do this. So we're gonna go ahead and review this thing real quick for you guys and show you inside and outside and stuff like that, and where the main damage is. Man, this thing is beautiful. Every time I look at it, it just makes me wanna, oh. But yeah, anyways, the van, 2016 Toyota Sienna with 48,000 miles, almost 49,000 miles. And this is the only side it is damaged on right here. And we do have a little bit of mirror damage and we got a little dings and stuff like that. I mean, this was probably a previous van for another family. And then we have some forklift damage right here. You can tell there's a line going right there and then it's pushed in. So the auctions actually do this. They have this big round tire, and when they pick it up with these big fork, they lift up the whole van and kind of hit the bumper. So can't do nothing about that. Auction is an auction. Our main damage of impact, as you guys can tell, we have nice room right here, nothing's buckled up. And then we go to this side, yep, we got buckleness going on right there. This is popped open right here, and all the way in there it's buckled. So this frame rail is tweaked a little bit, and also this member right here, this hood, you know, doesn't even close. This hood is damaged. This hood is popped right here, so this hood is no good. Oh yeah, it's mangled right there because it looks like somebody tried to open this and it was stuck. This is the front support right here. This side goes down and bends like this. This one looks actually very similar, bends like this, but this bar right here is on bolts, and this thing is pushed in 1 inch that way. So all we need to do is put it on a frame machine and pull this out, and also pull this out. I know a lot of people are like, what the heck, you're gonna have to replace this frame rail piece right here. Bro, no you don't. First of all, it's like barely tweaked over there and it's still connected. So all you gotta do is connect this one and pull it out, and it's gonna pull all of this out. Also, this is bent in right there, and this. So it's not actually a big deal. I also checked coolant when I got the car. Coolant is full, radiator is not damaged, AC works. I did start this car when I got it, but the battery is completely shot. You know, Walmart brand. I've already disconnected this battery. We need to go pick up a new battery because this thing is completely shot and the warranty is already over. So I think Walmart gives 1 year warranty, so that's over with. It's not bad actually at all. Like, it's very minor. Oh yeah, I guess I didn't even see that, but this piece looks like it's got pushed up because when the impact happened, it pushed everything up like this. But when you start pulling at it and you start pulling this out, everything will settle down back where it was. So hopefully that's the case. And let's go check out the inside real quick. You know, minivan. Pimping on a minivan soon. So we got some power seats, cloth seats, and it's pretty new style. I think this style interior was changed out in 2015 if I'm not mistaken, and it looks nice. It looks pretty dope. I mean, we have some sort of infotainment screen right here, and we have other things back here. Man, there's a bunch of room in here. Oh yeah, the kid's gonna create a crazy jungle up in here one day. But those seats right there flip up. Yeah, very nice. This is like this bottom piece that was tied up to the van when I got it. And we have a bunch of change in here. Maybe I can pay for some parts with this change. But yeah, pretty simple. Airbags did not deploy. This is why I purchased this van. I do not like buying red cars with airbag depletion because it's a hassle. You got to change the module, you got to change the airbags. Sometimes the airbags are like $700 to $800. So no thank you. I only purchase cars that are wrecked but no airbag deployed, and a little bit of frame damage, not a big deal. I just found a bunch of parts for sale in Orlando for our Sienna rebuild. I'm about to zoom over there real quick and pick up the parts. Bang, I just scooped up all of these parts, everything that I need to fix up this van. We just got a hood, literally color matched. We have 040 paint code on this, 040 paint code on this. Literally the hood is gonna be a replacement. This bumper on the other hand is a little messed up and I thought I was gonna be able to save it, but I'm not. I'm gonna have to sand this down, repaint the front bumper. We also got a grill, we also got a front rebar, and then the little foam absorber right there. That's literally everything we need. That was amazing. Also, what the heck is this? This is my YouTube play button, my 100,000 subscriber YouTube play button. This is some sort of letter they sent me, some sort of greeting card, and there she is, boys. Man, this thing is beautiful. A lot of people already seen this on my picture that I posted on my channel, but I didn't know I was gonna be doing a video about it. But I just wanted to show you guys how nice it is. Man, it's shining. There's like a piece of glass right there. I mean, it is sick. And it's like a picture frame. There's like little hangers right there. You can hang it up. It's just like a reward YouTube sends you after you reach, you know, the 100,000 milestone. That's pretty sick. I love it. Appreciate you guys. Without you guys, I could not have accomplished this goal. Bruh, you know what I forgot to get is the new battery. New battery is here. So obviously I'm cheap, so we go back to the value line. 1 year warranty. It's gonna die in 1 year, but whatever, it doesn't really matter. I know that these batteries, if they don't sit and you daily drive them, they're gonna outlast this warranty. So the other battery was also Walmart, but it sat for about 6 months at auction. That's why the battery probably died and got deleted inside. So we're gonna go ahead, install the new battery, and get this thing started for you guys. All right, let's get it started for you guys. What the heck? No power, baby. What the? Why you no start? Oh, all right. Come on. Ooh, nice. She sounds good. Runs and drives good. No oil leaks, no nothing. Man, this thing is pretty great. And I did forget to mention that my headlights are actually in great condition, except both of the tabs are broken off. One right here and one right here. This one's in a lot better shape. I can still glue this one together and it's gonna be all Gucci. But this one's gonna be a little more difficult, but it is still doable. I will be showing you guys how to fix these tabs in the next video. Oh yeah, AC is nice and cold. Can you guys feel that? Yeah, I know you can. It is cold. The condenser didn't get damaged. Radiator didn't get damaged. The only thing damaged on a radiator is these little brackets right here, but that also will be glued on and soldered back together. Alrighty guys, on the next episode, we're gonna be pulling this frame. We're gonna pull it with our trusty Linda forklift right there. If you guys remember from my last video, this truck right here was also damaged. Frame rail on the back was slightly bent in. We used the forklift to bend it out, heat up the metal, and that was a frame job. This forklift that we used, it's a little ratchet, but it does the job. It is a diesel forklift. We call her Linda, but as you guys can tell, you know, the name of the forklift. She does a very good job on lifting things and pulling things out for us. So it's pretty nice that we have that. Also, that frame job would have cost me at least $600-700 if I paid somebody, but I did it for free. So we're gonna be doing exactly the same thing on this van. So what do you think, guys? how much did I pay for this van? It's a 2016 with less than 50,000 miles. Let me know in the comments below. I will be doing a price reveal and parts and everything like that, and how much it's gonna totally cost me with inspection, because it is a salvage title vehicle and I'm gonna have to get a Florida inspection on it. I could also record that after we're finished with everything, and I will give you the grand total. So let me know in the comments below. Whoever gets the closest to the total price I have sitting right now will win a thumbs up for me, maybe even a free shirt. I don't know. Smash like. Stick tuned for more rebuild videos. If you guys like my bike video I put out there, there's gonna be videos like this. I know it's a little weird. I do like semi-truck things, semi-truck videos, and then all of a sudden a family van. Whatever, it's my life, it's my channel, I do what I want. So appreciate it for watching, guys. Be blessed. Stay tuned for more videos. Deuces.